guys, so I'm gonna just quickly finish off my eyebrows and then I will be back to continue the video. This is not a brow video, so yeah, I'll see you in a few seconds. So I'm just gonna add some shimmer. Try and avoid if you have any pimples. So like if I try on my pimples, which I've done right now. Okay, cool guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you know, we are in the spring season, so the next look I'm going to be doing, I'm going to try this. I've never tried this before. I'm in the mood for trying like a really nice greeny, springy sort of inspired look, so let's do this. The first time I'm going to try this, so I'm going to get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with a really nice gold shimmery sort of highlighter, and because we want a really nice shimmery look, I'm going to actually spray my brush before I even dip it into the eyeshadow, right? With my favorite gold, any gold. So long as it has a really nice shimmer to it. And we're just gonna make that our first step by putting it onto our eyelid like that. Then I'm gonna go in with my MAC eyeshadow. I've never used this color before. It's called Emblemy Fun. So it's really cool green sort of wash. So I'm going to go in with any eyeshadow brush. Next thing I'm going to go in with this MAC color as well. I'm not sure what the name is. It's a really nice pretty green. So I'm going to go in with that color. Actually, I'm going to wet my brush so that the color can actually really stick on, and then I'm going to dab it right onto my eyelid. I'm not going to brush it because I want it to really show. I want the color to really pop. And then once that is on like that, I'm just going to blend it out so that there aren't any fine lines. Just blend that out like that. This is like giving me like high fashion type of vibes. The next I'm going to go in, because I like to have depth normally in my eyes, so I'm going to go in with this really cool color, also by MAC. This one is in Green Room. It's like a really nice darkish green sort of color. So I'm going to go in with that using the same brush. I don't want to use too many different brushes, so I'm actually going to wet my brush like I did before. That same dark color. And then I'm going to just use it on the outside corners over there, because now we're creating depth. Don't worry about not having it too perfect in the beginning, because you are going to blend it out. Blending brush is your best friend, because she helps to really blend out all the areas that you make. I don't want to go too crazy, guys, like we're going like to a carnival. That's not the idea. The idea is just to have a hint of color. This is not a hint, but the idea is just to have a an inspiration of color. I'm going to go back with my blending brush. I'm going to dip it back with that same green that we used earlier on, this one. And I'm going to blend that delicious dark green. So some gold in the middle, in the inner corners. You can even put a little bit on your brow bone as well. I'm gonna go in now with some eyeliner, mascara, and we're gonna finish this look off. Okay, cool. So that's it for now for the eyes. I just want to quickly blend this out very quickly, just on the top over there, just so it's a really nice wash of that green and that there aren't any like lines, you know, everything just really blends in together. Yeah, the next step I'm going to do very quickly, concealer, all the good stuff, and then eyelashes, and then we're almost done. Snap that. So I'm basically done. I have some concealer on. I'm gonna just quickly powder that on, put some eyelashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, cool guys, so I have my eyelashes on. I'm not crazy about these eyelashes, but I just broke my other ones that I normally use, so that's not good. In any case, I'm gonna now finish off the look. I'm gonna go in and contour as per usual. So you know, we do the nose, Cupid's bow. So I really like to use this shimmer. This one is by Bronze Booster by Physicians Formula. This I got from Discam. But because the shimmer is so light, I feel comfortable to literally put it all over my face. Especially if you want that really nice healthy looking skin. So I'm putting that all over my face for a nice healthy glow. And then if you want like a really cool, like an extra highlight for those cheekbones, I like to go in with some pigmentation, with some pigment from MAC, and I just dab that on the corners where I need some extra shine. And that's basically pretty much it. There's this really cool lipstick I've been dying to use, and I feel like this is the perfect time to use it. But before I forget, I'm gonna go back in with that really nice green eyeshadow. Like that. Dab that underneath as well. Oh, I'm loving it actually. Now I'm actually really loving this. If you have like a nice dark green eyeliner, I would put that underneath. I don't have that, but that would really finish off the look really well. Alright, so that's that. Okay, awesome. So I'm almost done. I'm going to finish off now with these really cool green lipsticks I've been dying to use. First one I have is this one. Literally like proper green. It looks like that. That's what the swatch looks like. Got this from Discam. Second one is by MAC. This one is in, I've been dying to use. I think it's called Extract. Like there's a bit of a marking, so I can't see the name. Literally looks like that. How delicious. It's got like this limey, goldy type of finish. So I don't know which one I want to go with. Maybe let's try this one first and see what happens. Okay, no, I'm not going to even continue. This is not what I'm looking for. It's not my vibe. I'm going to wipe it off. I'm going to go back in with that stunning green color. Right. That. Very daring color. Hey, you have to be very bold to have a color like this, but go for it. Cool, so this is the look that we went with, guys. Super green, spring type of look. I love it. You would finish off now, obviously, with your favorite shimmer, facial mist, and then you're good to go. What do you guys think? Let me know. I love it. I have no complaints. This is what it is. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the... Okay, cool, guys. This is what the look looks like. I'm officially done with the spring makeup, green inspired looking type of makeup. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can do more videos for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Toodles.